Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you, everyone?
I am fine. I am good. I am great.
Okay. Today we are going to learn some fun English. Are you excited?
Yes.
So let's get started. মাখনের মতো নরম,
Soft as butter.
রক্তের মতো লাল,
Red as blood.
আবার শুনি,
Red as blood.
সূর্যের মতো উজ্জ্বল,
Bright as sun.
পাখির মতো মুক্ত,
Free as bird.
মধুর মতো মিষ্টি,
Sweet as honey.
সমুদ্রের মতো গভীর,
Deep as sea.
দুধের মতো সাদা।
White as milk.
Wow, very good.